Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we teach you how to make the watermelon whiskey sour. First, add 3 watermelon cubes to your cocktail shaker and muddle. Now because we're dry shaking this cocktail, we will not add ice just yet. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon or rye whiskey. Next, add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Next, add a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Next, add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Next, add 1 egg white. Now dry shake. Now add ice and wet shake. Now add ice to your rocks glass and pour. Finally garnish with a lemon wheel and a watermelon wedge. And that's how you make the watermelon whiskey sour. Cheers.